In this video, we look at completing the square method when the coefficient of x squared is not 1. Completing the square method when the coefficient of x squared is not 1. That is, a is not either positive 1 or negative 1. For example, 3x squared plus 7x plus 4 is equals to 0. So the first step that we need to do is make the coefficient of x squared 1 by dividing every term by the coefficient of x squared, which is 3, to get x squared plus 7 over 3x plus 4 over 3 is equals to 0. And then take the constant 4 over 3 to the right hand side to get x squared plus 7 over 3x is equals to negative 4 over 3. Then we need to add a k to both sides so that we complete the square on the left hand side. Recall that k is the same as b over 2 squared. So in this case, our b is 7 over 3, and therefore our k will be 7 over 3 over 2. That will give us 7 over 6 squared. Hence, we shall have x squared plus 7 over 3x plus 7 over 6 squared is equals to negative 4 over 3 plus 7 over 6 squared. Now on the left hand side, this is a perfect square of sides, x plus 7 over 6 by x plus 7 over 6. Or so we simply write it as x plus 7 over 6 squared. So on the right hand side, we shall have negative 4 over 3 plus 49 over 36, which shall give us negative 48 plus 49. Negative 48 plus 49 and it will give us x plus 7 over 6 squared on the left hand side and 1 over that 6 on the right hand side. So next we find the square root of both sides, and the square root of the right hand side will be either a positive or negative 1/6, and the left hand side shall have x plus 7/6 is equals to positive or negative 1/6, and hence x will give us negative 7/6 plus or minus 1/6. If you simplify that, you will find that x is equals to -1 or -4/3. Those are the root. X is -1 or -4/3. That is completing the square method when the coefficient of x squared is not 1.